Cooks Creek is a stream in the Cooks Creek watershed. The watershed consists of 57% pasture, 21% developed land, 12% cropland, and 10% forest. The watershed is 15,919 acres, beginning northwest of Harrisonburg, flowing south towards Mount Crawford, where it empties into the North River. With pasture comes excess nutrient runoff. This includes mainly nitrogen, phosphorus, and sediment coming from the farms within the watershed. According to a report from the EPA, the Watershed Implementation Plan identifies several best management practices that will help restore stream health in Cooks Creek watershed. These best management practices include streamside and cross fencing, voluntary exclusion systems, fence maintenance, both poultry and livestock waste management, improved pasture management, conservation tillage, retention ponds, bioretention filters, vegetated buffers, and nutrient management. 40% of the farms within the area implemented nutrient management. 80% of the farms implemented stream fencing, vegetated buffers, and barnyard runoff control systems. 100% of the farms in the watershed implemented animal waste management systems.
With developed land, the stream faces problems from stormwater runoff that carries nutrients and sediments into the water. These pollutants come from lawn fertilizers, animal wastes, and leaks from vehicles such as oil and gasoline. The impervious surfaces prevent the precipitation from entering back into the groundwater and flows untreated into the stream. This can lead to eutrophication, which lowers the dissolved oxygen content of the stream and harms the organisms in the water. The best management practices used to reduce the amount of pollution into the stream include rain harvesting, bioretention ponds, detention ponds, and vegetated filter strips. As Cooks Creek flows downstream and enters the North River, it continues into the lower North River watershed that eventually becomes the South Fork of the Shenandoah and ultimately joins the Chesapeake Bay. This then creates problems for the estuary and the ecosystem. By implementing riparian buffers along the stream, this pollution can be reduced. In addition to buffer zones, reverting the land use to be more forested would be beneficial because it would reduce the amount of developed land, which was the second largest percentage. Reducing the amount of nutrients and sediments in the water will lower the amount of algae growth, lower the turbidity, increase dissolved oxygen, and promote biodiversity.
Cooks Creek is home to various species, including macroinvertebrates and many fish species, such as smallmouth bass, rock bass, and sunfish. It is important to promote stream health in order to ensure the survival of these species.
This stream video was created by Lauren Casey Johnson and Victoria Sivera. Thanks for watching!